Hi guys, welcome to today's video. Today we are going to unbox dun 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 dun. I forgot to tie it. Dun 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 dun. Boom. We are going to be opening up our March Sephora Play Box. I already took it out of the box, but unbagging, opening up, whatever you want to call it. We will dig right on in. The Sephora Play is a monthly subscription from Sephora. It is $10 a month. I will put the link in the description somewhere there down below if you guys are interested in signing up. One really great benefit that I love about this box is that it does come with 50 Beauty Insider points. I think that's what they're called. Yeah, Beauty Insider points, which is absolutely great. I have been wanting to buy. My sister, I'm working on my eyebrows, right? So I don't really know how to do them. It's something new that I'm learning to do. I've never done my eyebrows before until I started filming. So I'm kind of trying to figure it out, right? So they look, you know, I don't know. But my sister told me that I should try the Anastasia Brow Wiz. But then my niece said just to try the Anastasia brush. She told me the number, I think, or what it's called, but I don't remember. So I'm kind of debating between the two. So I'm thinking I might actually buy both. But I was waiting because in order to apply the 50 beauty points to your account, you have to purchase something. So I was waiting, you know, to get these so that I can purchase those and get my extra 50 beauty points. Anyway, I digress. So again, it's $10 a month. It does come with this like little flyer thing. It says on the front, it says, what's your festival beauty vibe? It's like a cute little quiz on there. And then the back has a list of the items that we're receiving. And so let's take a gander. Do you guys remember when I asked Alexa what gander means? Alexa, what does gander mean?
Gander is usually defined as mature male goose.
A mature male goose. So let's take a mature male goose right on in here. So this is what did you guys see my hair? Okay, look, I'm going to tell you guys what's going on with my hair. My hair is super, super dry. I don't know if it's this California weather right now. It's raining. It's been ugly weather. And in California, when it rains, nobody knows what to do with themselves, right? And that's how my hair is right now. Like, it doesn't know what to do with itself. So it's super dry and frizzy. So I had to tie back a bit of it because it's just like boom all over. It's just a mess, and it's in part-time. It's in part-time. It's in timeout again right now, partially. But I'm like, I don't know. I'm about to have like a Britney Spears moment where I just shave all my hair off. But then I'm like, all right, take a deep breath, because if your boyfriend sees you with a bald head, he's going to be like, what is happening in your life? And I don't want to frighten the children. So I'm like, all right, let's just keep, you know, this hair situation as it is for now. But if you guys know anything and you guys can recommend anything that I can use for my dry hair, please let me know. I don't want to cut it. I don't know. So let me know if there's anything you guys will recommend. Anywho, so the bag does look like this. Oh, so my point of my hair was that when I turned, it looks like I have a bun or like something weird back here. It is. I just kind of put my hair back. Anywho, so this is what the bag looks like. When my daughter saw it, she's like, Mom, I want it. It says, beauty is my spirit animal. And it's like a tie-dye, like this blue tie-dye. I really like that these bags are not zippered. They're just like, they tie with the ribbon, because you can fit more in here, I think. This is totally good for my hot Cheetos. So I love this little bag. Let me just dip right on in and see what's in here. So the first item, it says Mistress Hydrating Hair Balm. And I was reading the little flyer thing to see what it was. And this is actually, it says to put a dime size amount through clean damp hair before for heat protectant, which is great. I'm trying not to straighten my hair as often because I know that kills it. But I did run out of heat protectant, whichever you want to call it. And so I noticed it's making a difference in my hair. So I'm glad that I got this so I can sample this out. So I can try it out. And okay, so that was item number 1. And then actually, you know what, I want to see if I can see how full it is. This is actually filled all the way to the top. I can see the little bubbles up here. It's full all the way to the top. Great. Okay, so that was item number 1. And I do have my Cheetos here because, listen, I'm stressing out. Okay, so our next item is On the Rocks Clarifying Charcoal Shampoo. and lightweight replenishing conditioner. I'm definitely gonna try these out maybe tomorrow. I'm trying to wash my hair every not every other day, but like one day wash it and then skip 2 days and then wash it again. That makes sense. So tomorrow's the day that I'm set to wash my hair again. So I am excited to try this out. I need something for my hair. It's getting so dry and it's driving me bonkers. Okay, so the next item in here is from, it says Custom Enhancer Drops from Cover FX, and it looks like this. Now, I got this in another, I don't know if it was a Sephora box, but I have received this item before. So I did take it out and I wanted to try it on, and our little paper here, it says to put it on wherever you normally highlight, right? So you can put a lot or a little bit depending on how you want to use it. And I am actually wearing it today, and I really, really like how it looks. You can see I just kind of just slapped it on my face. I wasn't really paying attention, and I'm like, maybe I should have. But I think it looks absolutely beautiful. Let me show you guys what it looks like. So my hand, right? And I'm going to put a dab on right there just because I don't want to put more on my face, because I think I already like overdid it there. So here it is. Let me just, and it's really creamy, really, really, like I can feel when I was putting it on my face, I can feel that it was blending easily into my skin. It wasn't like sticking and making it hard to, you know, to blend or put wherever I wanted. So this is what it looks like on my hand. Can you guys see it? It's right here. So I love the glow that it's actually given, and I'm really nervous about, you guys know I'm new to makeup world, and I'm nervous about using like liquid highlight. I've also seen like cream what's it called, bronzer, and I'm kind of nervous about trying it just because I feel like liquid isn't gonna smear the rest of my like foundation or something, but it didn't. Like I really like how this looks. I think it looks, I have a little like thing right there, so ignore that, but I really, really like how this looks. And this is the second one I received, so the other one I will be giving it away. So this is item number 3 that we received in here. And then item number 4 is, it says Dr. Jart BB Beauty Balm. So it looks like this, and this one I can also see is full to the, it's full to like here. So it's almost full to the top, not bad. This one says that it is a concealing, beautifying, and sun protecting balm. This multi-action cream is your one-step regimen for flawless moisturized skin. It brightens, smooths, and protects. How to use: apply a quarter-size amount to cleansed face and neck 15 minutes before sun exposure. And don't forget to reapply. Oh, so it's like a sunscreen, I'm assuming. Oh yeah, it does say broad spectrum. So this is actually good. My skin right now, not right now, but I've always had horrible acne. And as a teenager, you know, you go through puberty and oftentimes it hits. But with me, it just never stopped. I'm always breaking out. I have really bad acne scars on my face. So I'm trying to, like, I know I should have done it before, but just recently I'm like, all right, I need to do something about taking care of my skin, because it is embarrassing. I feel embarrassed to go out without makeup, and I've posted a few videos without me wearing makeup, and I'm so self-conscious about it. I feel like my face looks dirty, even though it's like freshly washed, you know, because I do have a lot of scars. So I've been looking for sunscreen to try out, which I'm excited that I got this one. So you guys see my hair, it looks so funny. I'm excited to try this out. I also just recently recently started using Proactive, so I will be uploading a video on that as well, but I digress. That's another video. So that was sample number 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's see what else is in here. Blah blah blah. Okay, so this is Sephora Triple Action Cleansing Water. Again, because my skin needs to make sure that I clean it as well as I can, I love getting these cleansers in there so I can just wipe my face down. And you know what I don't like is when you get like those facial cleanser, right? And then you go, after you clean your face, you get these, right? And you put it on a cotton swab and you go and like wipe your face to make sure everything's off. There's still a lot of makeup left on your face, isn't there? Or is it just me that I'm not using the right cleansing product? I don't know, but that bothers me. Anyway, so the last item in here is from It Bye Bye. It says It Bye Bye Under Eye Illumination Full Coverage Anti-Aging Waterproof Concealer. I've seen this brand before. I've seen it mentioned. I've seen it used in other videos. But here's one thing that I just don't like. okay, so this is the size of the bottle, right? It's filled to here. So it's only filled to here. So you're giving me a bottle where all of this is empty. Why? I don't understand. Like, if you're gonna give me this, don't trick me into thinking like, oh, I got this good size sample. It literally is like this much of product. I don't get it. Why don't you just put this in like a little, what are those little things called? The, like one of these type things. Not this one. This is a coupon. Like this. Like put it in something like this, you know? Why are you putting it in a bottle that looks like you're giving me a lot of product and you're not? It's like, you know what I mean? Does that make, is it just me? I don't know. That bothers me. I feel like you're deceiving me and I don't like that. So, I don't know. So here's my final thoughts. I like all the items that I got in there. My hand's itchy. I'm excited about it. I'm excited to try them out, but let me get comfortable. Get my pizza. I'm conflicted, and here's why. Let me get comfortable to talk to you guys. So here's why I'm conflicted. Well, so Sephora Play's $10, right? Ipsy is $10. Ricky's NYC is $11. If you guys haven't seen the Ricky's NYC, OMG, this month, the last 2 months, it was like the value of the boxes that I got were crazy. And the box itself, you get 5 full-size products in there. So they're not travel sizes, you know what I mean? And I'm paying $1 more and I'm getting 5 full products, you know, full-size normal products. But here I'm paying $10 and I'm getting like a bunch of little samples that are not even filled, you know what I mean? So the thing with the Sephora that I like is that I get the 50 Beauty Insider points. So I'm hesitant to cancel the subscription. I'm going to keep it a little bit longer. But Ipsy, it's just kind of leaving a bad taste in my mouth, you know? I just feel like it's not giving me what... I get it. Yes, it's only $10. True. But that's $10 of my hard-earned money. And I feel like I'm not getting... The items that I'm getting are like, you know... It's all right. It's nothing. It doesn't excite me. Like when I see the boxes in the mail, like with BoxyCharm, Ricky's NYC, I'm like, heck yes, I can't wait to open these. But I see Ipsy and I'm like, I see Sephora and I'm like, oh, it's here. My daughter's like, Mom, are you gonna open it? Can I open it? I'm like, just open it. It doesn't excite me. You know what I mean? So it does leave me thinking, like, do I want to keep the subscription? Do I not? What do you guys think? Is it just me just overthinking all of this? Because my brain tends to overthink everything. So let me know what you guys think. Leave me your comments, you know, questions, concerns, anything down below. I will leave the link to the Ricky's NYC video if you guys haven't seen that. I'll leave it in the description as well. Also the link to Sephora if you guys are interested in signing up for this subscription as well. It's not bad, but I kind of feel like I'm kind of outgrowing it. You know what I mean? If that makes sense. I don't know. So let me know again what you guys think. Thank you guys so much for spending time with me. I really, really do appreciate it. I am so super excited because I ordered a giveaway item and I should be getting it within the next few days. So as soon as I receive it, I will be announcing. I know I've been saying that I'm gonna announce it, but I definitely am as soon as I get the item in the mail. I'm super excited. You guys want a hint? It's something to do with LA. So just so you guys know. Again, thank you guys so much for, oh, before you guys go, please don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button somewhere there down below. And also the little bell notification so that you're notified every single time I upload a video, because why miss out on all the fun? Thanks again for being here and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.